So friend, this is my online Nettech channel. In this my video, I will show you in new option of control panel. But before you watch my previous video, sync center and the storage spaces and already created speech recognition systems, personalization keyboard, home group, and extra lot of creative local driving groups and device manager and date and time and calendar manager and administer tools, autoplay, everything I am already created every video in my contribution playlist in part wise. You can watch here into the episode technology, what is a mouse, programming feature, printer and device and printer, color management, everything I am created settings related information. Today I am showing you this system option, very important and very useful for this option. So understand about let's start this video and understand. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech sketch, this type right and search here and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced you can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me and you maybe like, so this is very good for you and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So you can see here I'm click on system these options and you can see these showing this type of window here, Windows systems. So you are using a Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, same as it is this type information. So first I'm give information about these Windows related. So you can see this view basic information about your computer, everything a computer, your basic knowledge in general of your system. Left side you can see here device manager. I'm already created device manager related video in computer management and you can see here this again I'm going to system and device manager. I'm created the video remote settings created already some in my video you can watch and remote related remote connection, okay. So you can see here and you can see here system protection. System protection means you can create your system related advanced system settings means advanced related information, advanced system settings. I will discuss in one by one. And security and maintenance, I am already created this security maintenance related video. Watch my previous some video in control security maintenance related topic video. So you can see this is here this my window 10 information showing here window 10. You are using Windows 7 and go into control panel and open system option, so showing here Windows 7. I'm using in my computer Windows 10, and you can see some change setting. What is the change setting? Where is the change setting? Why this give here? What is the change product key? I will discuss in one by one everything in my this video. Okay. So first understand about a window edition. Window edition, one type of every computer Windows 10 professional I'm using, and this 2015 Microsoft Corporation company through created. Okay, so Windows Home Premium, Windows Professional, Windows in Professional, and Windows Ultimate. If you even type additional using your professional type. Okay, so you can see here this is one type of Windows edition related information, and this is second is a system information. System information means your computer related information. So you can see here this is a system information. You can processor, you can see everything. So what is a product ID? Product ID means you are Windows activation. I'm already activate in my computer Windows operating system using a product key. So you can see here before you product key, you want first purchase operating system. Okay, and second is system inside. You can see I'm using first processor. This is my processor Intel Pentium CPU G3240 3.10 gigahertz. 3.10 gigahertz is one type of my CPU, central processing unit, one type of CPU devices. I'm already created the computer hardware series inside. Watch my playlist inside. And what is the processor? You can see the installation memory. Install memory means my RAM 4 GB, and system type 64-bit operating system. I'm using 64-bit CPU, 64-bit support using I'm motherboard. So 32-bit and 64-bit type two platform available in processor. Okay, so you must using a 64-bit processor, not using 32-bit, because 32-bit old generation type of processor, and some 64-bit is good for new type of and high level advanced type software support. So this is looking here, this is my CPU. Okay, and you want more information, so watch my computer hardware series video. I'm already created playlist in my channel, and watch what about what is a processor, and how many type of processor, and why this 32-bit and 64, what is a 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, so you can see here this is a 64-bit processor using, and I'm using 64-bit same as it is operating system using. Okay, so you are using 64-bit processor, and motherboard using 6th generation, so 64-bit operating system installed, and the computer name and domain name and working. So I make my computer name give PC1. Okay, and full computer name PC1 name give by my through. Okay, customize computer description you can enter, but I'm not enter here. Okay, computer description, and you can see here you can enter your name here, computer name side, but I'm enter my PC1 inside. And you can see here computer description, not anything I'm enter here. And work group is means work group means I'm not attached any servers, and any other server connectivity in this region. Work group means home and personal type of communication my computer. And pen and touch, you can see here, not I'm using display, touch display. Okay, I'm not touch play display using here. So you can see here this is work group related. What is a work group? Work group means one type of what is the main of your work. So you are connected. Domain means your computer, so your computer work under server. Okay, so this is not going to inside the domain, only work group system. Okay, So this is a very important for our group, and you can see here this is a one type of very important for you are using work group side of systems here. Okay, so Windows activation, you can see here on type of you want change settings, click on here. So one type of system properties open here. Okay, so I will discuss in this video, but I am showing Windows activation. So Windows my activated, and you can see here is the activation product key ID. Okay, so how you activate your, so before you are installation Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 1, first your purchase of the system. Without operating system purchase, you cannot start your your activate window, and you are not activate Windows some feature not using in your computer. Okay, because this is one type of you know limitation set up by Microsoft company operating system through, and you can see here this is one type of system related product key. So sometime license product key, how you purchase, you can purchase license key online through. Okay, so you have you are purchase product key, so you can enter one type of number, one type of product numbers here. Okay, just I'm give example. You can see here this is one type of I'm only giving example here. Okay, so you can see here this type product is showing here. Okay, but I'm already purchased Windows 10, and this is a very important for your computer, and this is start activated. So my Windows 10 professional window additional purchase license software key. Okay, and this valid only 1 year only, and after again review one type of purchase again. So how you are using sometimes some computer not activate window, and this reason sometime not perfectly start. You can see Windows 10 professional additional, lot of additional available in your Microsoft system product. Windows 10 home, Windows 10 home premium, Windows professional, Windows 10 pro, uh, Windows 7 type of additional, Windows 7 ultimate, Windows 7 home premium, Windows 7 professional, 32-bit and 64-bit side, the two platform here. Okay, so I'm already created what is a 32-bit and 64-bit. So watch my playlist inside OS. Okay, Windows 7 related information installation time, so you can completely understand what is a professional, what is a Windows edition. Okay, so one by one I will discuss in new type of settings related Windows edition. So every edition working other different edition, just like Windows, you are using home computer, so using the Windows home and home premium, you are using one type of office additional office computer, so you are using a Windows professional additional, either use professional, and you are using sometime Windows ultimate, you are one type of using, you are engineer and you set up your one type of other type of management maintenance your server type of, so you can set you can control your Windows professional one type of setup here. Okay, so I'm discussing left side these four type of, you can see here these important settings here. Okay, so first you can see this is a device manager, remote settings, system protection, and advanced system settings. So this is very important for understand about you can see system protection. I'm click on system properties. Okay, so system properties, what is the system properties? So you can the computer name change here. Okay, so you can enter here computer description. I am already told you. So you want you can change computer name, so you can change computer name here. So how you change your name? So click on your rename. You can see this change name here. So you can directly change settings, and one tap open this change, and you can name change here. Okay, I'm already give a computer name PC1. You can enter your computer new name different type. So this my PC number I'm using in I'm give example one type of company how you using this system. So company 321 this PC and PC with PC client name. So very easily and find out this computer, and this is a computer name enter here. Okay, so you can see here it change here in the name. You want to click on more, so you can enter DNS suffix and of this computer. So you are using a DNS server, domain name server. So enter DNS suffix system, but this is a very advanced level type of I will discuss in the server series inside. So I'm change computer name, and you can see here this is a change automatically name here, but I'm just showing you how you change your name. Okay, so name change here. Okay, and you can see this name. So a lot of server client connect in the server. So how this computer inside identify. So this is a computer name and domain system. Okay, so without domain you cannot connect your computer with server. Okay, so domain is very important. Okay, so you are connected www dot I'm give Facebook. Okay, Facebook this I'm one type of I'm working. I'm give example. I'm one type of Facebook company employee. So this my computer automatically not directly. First I'm going to member of a domain and enter domain name. Okay, connect with my facebook.com. This type enter domain name connectivity and click OK. So automatically connectivity. I will discuss this domain related everything detail in a server series. Okay, in a server series playlist I will discuss in one by one. Okay, so I'm just showing you how you change your computer name. Click OK and restart. Okay, so I'm not change name book and I'm directly only showing only for you just example here. Okay, but you want to change computer name, so this type computer name change and click OK, and again showing a restart. But what is the domain? Domain is one type of connector, one client to server here. Okay, so this is very important for your computer, and main server is working only domain system. Okay, without domain not working server system. Okay, so what is the domain, how using domain, what is the domain system, what is the domain of www.com. I will discuss in everything in server series here. Okay, so this is a task manager. You can see here this is a task manager, window 10 task manager. Task manager is a very important of task everything, your background process, background services, background performance, and the starting applications, everything you can see task manager. Okay, so this is task manager. You can see DSCP's client server is a DSCP system. So dynamic host configure protocol type of client, and this showing me running here, and this is give one type of IP address. Okay, so what is IP address I will discuss one by one in server series here. Okay, so everything you can see domain system, domain controlling system here. Okay, so you can see here this is a domain controlling system and the domain line, but I am again work group. Okay, work group is not need a server, and every computer, personal computer, your laptop personal computer, my computer, everything work only work group only, simple work group. Okay, but you are connect to your company and connectivity your company through, so you must enter domain system. Computer description means what about you're using computer description, what means about your computer. So I'm enter some sales department is using computer for my important extra you can enter. So this is enter your about your you can see here this give sales department management system here. Okay, so one by one you can you enter here lot of you have in a company you are lot of client connect with your server system here. Okay, so uh, main of engineers setup here. You enter first description, second name, you change your computer name, and third is the enter domain name system. You means domain enter here, and completely enter your computer in with your server system, client system. Okay, so you can see here this is a very important for understand about computer name and the Windows uses the following information to identity one type of your computer on the network, because company network inside the large network, some local company using uh, uh, 21 computer, large company uh, 115, 155, and more large company 200, 500 computer, 1000 computer, 3000 computer. So this is identity one type of very helpful for a computer engineer find out problem, find out something, who is a client active, who is a client offline, not using computer, shut down computer, everything this by computer description, computer name, very important this. And the second is a hardware system and hardware options, you can see here. So understand about this computer name. Okay, so this is the identity of your computer related and hardware related device manager. I'm already created device manager related video, so watch computer management video and all of showing in okay, device information in device installation settings. I'm already told you new device you are install, so this is automatically driver software a realistic icon your system. And you want to know, let me choose I want to do, so I select my customized system. So I am already device installation settings, I am already show you. Okay, in my control panel list watch device computer management system. Okay, so this is upgrade and update. What is the upgrade and update? So upgrade is means you are already old generation using system and you want new options. So it means installation, you download new file, new folder, new you are enter just like new application you are enter here. So it means new options coming, new, it means upgrade. And update means computer inside your date expire some specific software, so you can update your internet, so date up, date your new here. So performance related options, perform options, this is a very important of adjust your improve your system. So this let Windows choose what the best for my computer. Okay, so you can see smooth open, start menu, and listening files and you can see here. But you want adjust my best performance, best appearance, so you can customize and select this option. You can see lot of here. Okay, just like appearance, icons, your folders, your files, and these icons here. Okay, and open files, related information, and inside file your different type of icons. So this is one type of you can say visual effect on your open windows. So you can animation, open animation windows, enable peak, pad. So this is depend on your system, and you can set up here. Okay, set up your different type of. So you can see here my hard disk icon, and inside the folders files you can set up here. Okay, so depend on your selection, and you can see adjust your best performance. So I suggest you are using second option, adjust best performance. Okay, and depend on your visual effect is very perform good performance appearance and performance very good Windows operating system computer. Okay, so this is a fast and apply, and but I'm cancel here. Okay, Second is the user profile advanced inside. You can see because we are using a user profile. So click on settings and going to this is a user profile. Okay, so I have three type of user. This is a default profile created by this operating system through, and you can see this is my administrator account created by my administrator account through. Okay, so I'm just showing here and going to this PC here, and you can see this PC inside. You can go into user here. Okay, so see this is the sky showing here, and you can see here this is one type of and find out. Okay, and mid is a local user. Okay, second is my mid MID. This is a default profile, means operating system created this default profile system, and this operating system created default profile. How you find your profile? You can see. So you can see here this is a profile here, and you can see this is sky is my administrator main of profile, main of computer profile, very important. And second is a mid is a local computer user. Okay, so local is user account is not more perfectly settings and not permission view, because this is a local account here, but this is sky is my administrator account, main user account. So administrator account means main everything information, everything is important. But you can change the type local profile, but I don't like this profile. Okay, and this is a very important to understand about what is a main user account small. Startup and recovery. So I am already show you startup and recovery. So system startup and system failure sometime debugging some information. So you can start your computer startup time, either you can recovery time, some problem here. So this is the settings very helpful for your computer related information, startup time, your take operating system reading, and first ofly sometime failure your operating system. So recovery, I am already created backup and restore, and second recovery video, watch video very important for your computer related in my content playlist video already created. So this is a again I'm showing, again I'm speak watch backup and restore video, and the second video recovery option very important for you. So this is system startup and system failure. This is you can see here. So sometime your system failure, system startup is you can debug your information. So you can see here this is I'm using a default operating system Windows 10, but you are multiple operating system installed in one hard disk. Okay, so this is showing system startup. Okay, default operating system on top of Windows 10, you can see here, and you are using in one hard disk Windows 7 and Windows 10, both operating system installed. So you are watch here Windows 7 and Windows 10. Okay, so this operating system startup select up here Windows 7, your instance of Windows 7 start here, either you Windows 10, Windows 10 setup here. Okay, so you can see here this is the one type of in how many times start your operating system. Okay, so in 40 seconds you can start up 40 seconds inside your completely operating system start when you power on your computer, and you can start in 40 seconds is minimum, which is good for this timing system. Okay, so in 40 seconds start up your completely your operating system, your computer start here. Okay, and any problem, so this is a settings very helpful for your computer, and sometime some error time of debugging system. So depend on you are using in one hard disk Windows 7, Windows 10, either you are Windows 8.1, Windows 10 using installation in one hard disk. So same showing Windows 10 side, Windows 7 and Windows 10 both options showing here, but in this my case only one only one operating systems installed. System failure. So system failure time, write an event the system log. Okay, so system log is one type of system failure time. Give me one type of information stored in event viewer. So what is the event viewer? I am already created in a control panel video watch event viewer. So this is a system failure. I mean, you can see here this is a local disk C partition C here, and every computer sometime not completely sometime currently time starting time sometime fail sometime driver it is done sometime virus related problem and this is a system fail. So you are already take a recovery, you are take already backup your data, so very helpful for your computer and information. Okay, so you can write event to the system log. Okay, so this log very helpful for my computer and one type of separately I will show here. I can show here this how problem this startup here. Okay, so tick mark here. Okay, and you can check in event viewer. So write debugging information, this is automatically memory dump is a very good option, and other option not enter. Okay, because this is a automatically memory this system debugging options. So this option very helpful for your computer and especially to your systematic information. So this is a very good and important file and folders you can see here. So you can see here automatically you can see for small memory dump is 256 KB only this system, and this not completely be kernel memory dump is a kernel system. Kernel is one type of main of file of your operating system related and your operating system of starting time your power on start and your first check up kernel operating system file here. Okay, so you can see here this is a kernel memory dump system here, and third option is a complete memory dump means the complete memory dump, but I am sure suggest you automatically memory dump why dump. Okay, this is very helpful for automatically memory dump is good for your computer and start up your starting time. So this is compatibility and helpful for your very easily your computer will start and fast boot in the means fast start of your computer. And active memory dump, why dump means active your start your computer and active time your memory dump, but I'm just suggest you again automatically. So this is a debugging options information. Your debugging information very uh, this good for only for automatically memory dump. So select only automatically these options. Okay, but active is not good, but I'm only this you automatically memory side inside one type of a file writing in information enter this automatically currently system. Okay, so this is very helpful for automatically memory write dump, and you can see this is a dump file the system wrote and memory dmp file. Okay, this location file. Okay, so this file you can see here this partition C inside the memory dmp file, and you can see I am try to showing file. So maybe this find out the file this C system memory either you can see Windows and system root memory dmp file. Always store in this type important file in partition C. Okay, local disk C, because everything operating system important file and data enter in this area side. Okay, so you can see here this is a one type of system root file and memory DMP file. Okay, so you can see overwrite again any setting file means something you are start your computer and sometime error, sometime not perfectly start. So this is a DMP file, very overwrite and startup here. Okay, so this is one type of startup and recovery. Environment variable is one type of variable, one type of setup of your value of your startup user file. So TMP, temporary file, user file profile. I have data inside temporary folder, and this environment variable already for only system. You can delete here, but don't delete here. Okay, very important for variables from uh, of the system related and information related, some path, and you can see variable value and every uh, separate file and main operating system file related the value enter this system here. Okay, so this is a system variable is some edit you can enter center and cancel, you can set and start in system related username. Okay, so different type of enter here. Okay, so complete systematic in number of complete and concept. Okay, so this is complete here. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue new type of system.